So today we're going to talk about MIDI syncopation. What we have here is a 4 on the floor bass line and drum beat. If we go ahead and say change the position of the last note and push it a bit earlier, you have something that sounds a little bit interesting, a little bit different, and that's because you've used syncopation to take things off the beat. Let's go a step further and add a little note here. And let's add a little note here at the end. So now let's duplicate that lead, select all, and we're going to press shift down. Just to turn it into a bass line. Now let's go back into the lead, select all from the lead, now shift everything one measure to the right. Let's move that first note back to the beginning. Let's change some of the sound here. Now let's duplicate that track. Let's add another note there at the end. Now let's select all of the notes there on that new lead, and we'll shift everything a little bit to the left, and we'll pan it slightly to the left there like that. Right select all of the notes and then select chop notes on grid. Let's go ahead and change the sound a little bit more. So on this one here, what we're going to do is we've got a delay on the return track, so we're going to just send some of that delay across. What we're going to do now is we're going to select that previous lead line that we had before, the more simple one. We're going to duplicate that, and then we're going to select a MIDI transformation tool called M2TM steps. And what we're going to do with M2TM steps is, well, firstly, make sure that we've got the right scale for the song. So we're going to go back to E minor here, and then we're going to go and select scale steps just to make sure it's in scale. And then we're going to just randomly select some of the notes and bring them into scale like that. Let's just solo this. But we're going to go ahead now and press chord. And we're just going to randomly have some of the notes come up as chords. And let's listen to the whole thing. Let's push these notes a bit earlier. Let's add some reverb to those. And what do you guys think of using something like M2TM steps to help with note generation and chord generation? I think the combination of the two are super powerful.